Here are 8 news items from the world of the crypto industry. First, news. Binance announces pre-market trading service. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance has announced the launch of a pre-market trading service. Users will be able to trade tokens before their official listing on Binance launch pool. A company representative told the block that unlike competitors, Binance offers pre-market trading with real tokens instead of derivatives. Binance is the only crypto exchange offering pre-market spot trading, where tokens are exclusively allocated and generated for users so they can hold and trade them in the pre-market, said the exchange. The statement also noted that Binance Pre-Market is a collaboration between Binance Spot and Binance Launch Pool. Only tokens available on Binance Launch Pool will be tradable in the pre-market. The exact launch date for pre-market trading is still unknown. Binance mentioned that it will announce when launch pool projects become available for pre-market trading. The pre-market period will end at least 4 hours before official spot market trading begins, and a separate announcement will be made for the listing, the statement said. Binance clarified that the new service will not be available in the US, Canada, Dubai, Japan, the Netherlands, Russia, or Spain. Second, news. Major Genesis creditor sells off assets. One of the largest creditors compensated in Ethereum following the liquidation of cryptocurrency company Genesis Trading has sold a significant portion of its assets. According to CN, the creditor sold 12,100 ETH, approximately $31.43 million, in the past 24 hours. On August 2, 2024, as part of Genesis's liquidation, this wallet owner was paid 114,502 ETH, around $358.19 million, making them the largest Ethereum recipient among creditors. This compensation was part of the settlement process after the collapse of Genesis Trading, which was unable to meet its financial obligations. The sale of such a large volume of Ethereum could affect the cryptocurrency's market price, especially given current liquidity instability. Large asset sales by major players could cause volatility, particularly in conditions of low demand or high uncertainty. Genesis Trading, once a leading provider of crypto lending services, faced severe liquidity issues following the collapse of several major crypto projects and the decline in digital asset prices. This led to its bankruptcy and subsequent liquidation of assets for creditors. Researchers at Spot On Chain noted that 2 large Ethereum holders withdrew a total of 20,610 ETH worth $53.6 million over the past 3 days. Third, news. Spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in the US. See capital inflows. On September 25, 2024, the US spot Bitcoin ETF sector saw a net daily capital inflow of $105.84 million, continuing a positive trend for 11 of the past 13 trading days. Ethereum-based products saw an inflow of $43.23 million for the second consecutive day, according to Soso Value. On that day, 2 Bitcoin funds received inflows. The IBIT fund from BlackRock attracted the most with $184.38 million, followed by Bitwise BITB with $2.07 million. However, products from Fidelity, ARK Invest, and 21 Shares saw outflows. 8 other ETFs saw no movement in funds. In the Ethereum ETF sector, there was an inflow of $43.23 million on September 25, spread across 4 funds. ETH, $26.63 million. ETHA, $9.38 million. FETH, $6.45 million. CETH, $774,100. 5 other funds saw neither inflows nor outflows. No inflows or outflows were recorded for either category of funds in the Hong Kong market. Fourth, news. Losses from Truflation platform hack exceed $5 million. Blockchain platform Truflation, which provides various financial data, was the target of a hacker attack. The team discovered unusual activity involving malicious software. Truflation's team reported they are investigating the incident and taking measures to secure funds. they have enlisted the help of partners and law enforcement, according to a statement. The platform also promised rewards to white hat hackers who help solve the case. Crypto detective Zach XBT found that more than $5 million was stolen from wallets and multi-signature addresses. Security experts from Cyvers reported that Truflation lost around $4.6 million. The project's representatives claim that the hack did not affect client funds or assets placed in staking. Following news of the attack, the Truflation token dropped by 15%, reaching a low of $0.068 before partially recovering to $0.081, according to TradingView. Fifth news. Several top executives leave OpenAI. Mira Murati, CTO of AI startup OpenAI, announced her departure from the company. After more than 6 years with OpenAI, she stated she intends to pursue her own research. Murati called leaving OpenAI a difficult decision. In a public message, the top executive thanked the team for their work and AI-related achievements. The decision came just a week before OpenAI's annual developer conference, DevDay. In November 2023, Murati briefly served as acting CEO after Sam Altman was fired. She returned to her CTO role after his return. Later, reports emerged that two other OpenAI executives, Chief Scientist Bob McGrew and VP of Research Barrett Zoff, also left. CEO Sam Altman confirmed the departures of the top executives. According to Altman, all employees made the decision to leave independently and by mutual agreement. He appointed Mark Chen as VP of Research, while Jakub Pachaki will head OpenAI's scientific work. Additionally, there have been several other leadership changes at the company. In his post, Altman reassured employees that leadership changes are a natural part of a company's growth. Leadership changes are a natural part of the development of any company, especially those growing as fast as we are with such high demands. According to Reuters, OpenAI will soon be restructured as a commercial company, with Sam Altman receiving equity. Once completed, the company's valuation could reach $150 billion. In August 2024, OpenAI co-founder Josh Schulman also left the company to join Anthropic, one of OpenAI's main competitors. 6. News. Visa introduces platform for fiat-backed token launch and testing. Visa has unveiled its VTAP platform, designed to help banks issue and test fiat-backed tokens. This was reported by CoinDesk. We believe this creates a significant opportunity for banks to issue their own fiat-backed tokens on blockchains, do so in a regulated manner, and give their clients access to blockchain capital markets and the ability to participate in them, said Q.E. Sheffield, head of Visa's crypto division. The platform will allow counterparties to issue fiat-backed tokens based on smart contracts in the Ethereum network, according to the release. However, its capabilities are not limited to Ethereum alone. Visa's broader goal with VTAP is to enable banks to interact with blockchain capital markets. Tokens created on the platform will serve as a means of settlement and collateral when trading tokenized real-world assets. It's expected that banks will use VTAP to purchase real-world assets, RWA, such as commodities or bonds, with near real-time settlement via tokens, the release noted. The project is currently in the testing phase, conducted by Spain's Banco Bilbao Vizcaya Argentaria. The pilot is expected to launch on the Ethereum network in 2025. 7th News. Bitfinex analysts highlight key factors supporting Bitcoin's long-term growth. According to Bitfinex, Bitcoin's September rally was primarily driven by derivatives trading amid weakening demand in the spot market. We advocate a cautious approach after Bitcoin's 22% rally. It is quite possible that the price could form a new range near current levels and consolidate for some time, as has happened in previous periods. Bitcoin needs to surpass $65,200 and hold above it to continue its growth, said the experts. In their view, another positive factor for Bitcoin's growth is the ongoing inflow of funds into spot Bitcoin ETFs, with liquidity moving into exchange-traded products offsetting weak buyer activity in the spot market. Earlier, analysts at 10x Research reported that Bitcoin could reach a new all-time high in October, thanks to two catalysts. 8th News. U.S. dominates the Bitcoin market. The U.S.'s recovery of dominance in the Bitcoin market is gaining momentum. According to CryptoQuant founder Kim Yong-ju, the U.S.'s share of global Bitcoin reserves continues to grow, driven by rising demand for spot ETFs. The analyst noted that the ratio relative to other countries is showing a significant increase, indicating a return of a large portion of Bitcoin reserves to American players. A chart published by the expert shows that as BTC prices have risen since 2023, the U.S.'s dominance in cryptocurrency reserves has strengthened. The last time this trend was observed was in 2017 to 2018 when Bitcoin reached its peak price levels. Now, with increasing demand for spot ETFs in the U.S., the country once again leads in the amount of digital assets held by known public market participants. The current situation in the Ethereum market is also noteworthy. According to K33 Research, after 7 weeks of weak activity, the Ethereum spot ETF market has recorded significant trading volumes. Over the past 3 days, large inflows have been reported, with Monday seeing the largest net outflow of assets since July 29, followed by the strongest inflows over the past 2 days since August 6. This could indicate increased interest in ETH as the crypto market recovers. New crypto-based products are expected to continue attracting institutional investors, further strengthening the U.S.'s position in the global crypto community. As of September 26, Bitcoin is trading at $63,830, with a market capitalization of $1.26 trillion. Ethereum is available at $2,630, with a total supply of $315.26 billion.